图。
The Tortoise and the Hare. There was once a tortoise that slowly crawled through a forest. Boing, boing. A bouncing hare saw the tortoise and made fun of him.
Make way! Make way! I'm bouncing through! Hey, Slowpoke, didn't you hear me? Move out of the way!
The angered tortoise stopped walking and said,
Hey, let's race to the top of the mountain and see who gets there faster.
You think you can beat me? Fine, let's do it! Ready, set, go!
So Hare bounced away and Tortoise slowly crawled. Boing, boing, and away went Hare, while Slowpoke Tortoise crept and crawled with bullets of sweat dripping down.
Now where is Tortoise? Wow, he is so far behind. It'll take him forever to catch up. So, I think I'll take a nap.
While Hare slept, Tortoise never stopped walking. Balump, balump. Sure enough, Tortoise crawled past sleepy-head Hare, and he crawled to the top of the hill.
Hey, Hare! I beat you! Ha 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 ha!
Huh? What? What's going on?
Hare woke up and scurried up the hill. But it was too late. Tortoise was already resting under a tree at the top of the mountain.
No, this can't be. I lost to Slowpoke Tortoise.
可恶的狐狸。有一块肉掉在了林间小路上，小狗和小猫同时发现这块肉，扑了上去。
是我先看见的，这肉是我的。
你说什么？是我先来的，是我的才对呢。
正好小狐狸经过，劝他们不要打架。
朋友们，别再吵了，你们把这块肉平均分成2半，不就行了吗？
说完，狐狸就用牙齿把肉分成了2半。
咦，这边的好像更大呀！
狐狸比了比2块肉，从大的那块肉上咬了一口，可是好像咬得太多了，这下另一块肉看起来比较大了。
哎呀，这下这块肉看起来更大呀！哎呀，这下那块肉看起来更大了呀！
小狐狸假装平分肉，一口又一口不停地咬着肉。最后狐狸把肉块全都吃光了。
哎呀，我不小心把它全吃光了。那我先走了。
哎呀，早知道就心平气和地分着吃啦。怎么办呢？
可恶的狐狸。有一块肉掉在了林间小路上，小狗和小猫同时发现这块肉，扑了上去。
是我先看见的，这肉是我的。
你说什么？是我先来的，是我的才对呢。
正好小狐狸经过，劝他们不要打架。
朋友们，别再吵了，你们把这块肉平均分成2半，不就行了吗？
说完，狐狸就用牙齿把肉分成了2半。
咦，这边的好像更大呀！
狐狸比了比2块肉，从大的那块肉上咬了一口，可是好像咬得太多了，这下另一块肉看起来比较大了。
哎呀，这下这块肉看起来更大呀！哎呀，这下那块肉看起来更大了呀！
小狐狸假装平分肉，一口又一口，不停地咬着肉。最后，狐狸把肉块全都吃光了。
哎呀，我不小心把它全吃光了。那我先走了。
哎呀，早知道就心平气和地分着吃啦，怎么办呢？